Well, I read over these papers, and let me tell you, some of the things that I read in here ring a little close to my home, and I think the homes of a lot of other people who may be watching this case. Your wife of 50 years died.
49 years and 11 months.
And this is your daughter.
Yes.
And when your wife died, you took some, according to your complaint, some of her diamond jewelry. You had it appraised for about $2,000. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am. Here's the.
I believe you.
Here's the appraisal slip.
I believe you. And then you took this diamond jewelry that was your wife's and you put it in a vault.
Safe deposit box, ma'am.
And you gave your daughter the key.
Yes.
Just in case something happened
That's
to
right.
you.
Seeing as how she was the only living relative.
Okay. And unbeknownst to you, your daughter at some point went into the safety deposit box
Right.
and removed the jewelry
Right.
without your permission.
Right.
So you're suing her for the $2,000.
Right. Or return of the jewelry.
Okay. Now, Ms. Horowitz,
Yes.
I read your answer, and you don't deny that you went in and took the jewelry, correct? You said you took it because you wanted to wear the jewelry to a very special function.
That's correct. It was a Christmas program that I was singing in, and I don't remember the exact year. I just remember wanting to wear the jewelry because I knew my mother couldn't be there, and it made me feel close. It made me feel like she would be close to me.
Ms. Horowitz, I want you to be really honest with me.
Okay.
Had your dad met his new wife at the time you took out the jewelry?
He knew her before my mom passed away.
But they started dating, according to your complaint, within 3 weeks of your mother's death.
Not his current wife. He just started dating,
Oh, he
and then
started
he proposed to her 3 months after they, my mom passed away.
That bothered you?
A lot, yeah.
Okay. Was there any sense, or did you feel that perhaps this jewelry that was your mom's would wind up with his new wife?
No, I never gave that a thought.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. Because of something that happened, because of something that she said to him before they got married.
Which was?
Well, he wanted to give her a wedding ring that belonged to my grandmother, and Addie said, no, that belongs to Carolyn.
Why do you think that your dad didn't, well, let me ask him that question. Mr. Lloyd, this is your only living relative, you said.
Yes. I have a sister who is in the courtroom now, too.
But this clearly would be the person who would get all of your wife's jewelry. You weren't going to wear the jewelry.